Hey guys, so in this video we'll be learning how to rotating our proxies within every few minutes. So I've discussed this wonderful tool already, but proxy broker. So it automatically rotates our proxy every few minutes. So here's the documentation of this. So let's install this and let, let's get it working. So this is a Python package, so I'm assuming you have Python installed. So I have Python 3 version 3.6.9. So we copy this, installing. So I have already installed it, so it will say that I have installed most of the package, but this should take a few seconds and then you should be good to go. Now the next command is let's skip this, proxy serve. So this tools what it does is, so basically it will automatically fetch proxy list from multiple websites, and we want the level to be high, so we are fully secured. We are looking for HTTP and HTTPS connection both, and we are starting a server at, let's say, 3200. Okay, and we are starting that server on our local host. So now this will start a server localhost at 3200. So let me just start it. Okay, so at least it is started and it is saying that DNS resolution has failed. Okay, the next thing we do is check my IP. So my current IP address is this. Okay, so we need to redirect all the traffic from this port. So I'm using currently Linux, and I'll be telling you how to configure this on Linux port. Assuming I mean you can do similar on Windows or Mac. So what I do is I go to my VPN settings. I go to my network proxy. I go to manual, and I want to change my proxy connection to this, and I have started the port 3200 and 3200. So now what will happen is all the connection which are HTTP and HTTPS will move through this particular port. And let's see, let's wait for a few seconds, and you can see that my now IP has changed to something else. Okay, so this is a great tool, and it will automatically change my IP address in every few seconds. So let's wait for another few seconds. So I will fast forward the video, and within a few seconds my IP will be changed to something else. Refreshing my website again, and let's see what IP we have. So my IP got changed again, and this is something new now. So this automatically changes our IP within every few seconds, and we are able to maintain an anonymity. So this is a great tool for routing proxies. Thanks guys, hope you enjoyed this video.